Alright, let's finally make photosynthesis make sense. Sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, sugar, oxygen. It happens in two main phases inside tiny green factories called chloroplasts. Phase 1, the light reactions, thylakoids, stacked membranes. Think solar panels, dipped in green dye, chlorophyll. When a photon smacks chlorophyll in photosystem 2, it excites an electron. That excited electron gets yanked away, sent down an electron transport chain, basically a molecular slide. Photosystem 2 is missing an electron, so it rips water apart to replace it. That split launches protons, releases oxygen as a byproduct. That's the O2 you're breathing right now. As the electron slides along the chain, it powers proton pumps that pack protons into the thylakoid like a crowded stadium. They really want out, and the only exit is a spinning protein turbine called ATP synthase. As protons rush through, ATP synthase clicks together ATP, the cell's rechargeable battery. Then the electron lands in photosystem Y, gets zapped by another photon, and takes one more ride to reduce NADP+ into NADPH, a high-energy electron carrier. End of phase 1, sunlight in, water split, oxygen out, ATP and NADPH produced. Phase 2, the Calvin cycle. This happens in the stroma, the gooey space around those stacks. Carbon fixation. An enzyme legend named Rubisco grabs CO2 and sticks it onto a 5-carbon molecule, making a short-lived 6-carbon that snaps into 2 3-carbons. Reduction. ATP and NADPH from the light reactions invest energy to convert those into G3P. Some G3P exits to become glucose and other carbs. Regeneration. The rest of the G3P gets reshuffled, with ATP's help, back into the 5-carbon starter so the cycle continues. So the whole system is basically light reactions build ATP, NADPH. Calvin cycle spends them to build carbon-based fuel. Why are leaves green? Chlorophyll is picky. It absorbs red light best, absorbs blue light best, and reflects green. Accessory pigments spread the net a bit. What about breathing? Tiny leaf pores called stomata open to bring in CO2, let out O2, and water vapor. Guard cells act like bouncers, balancing gas exchange with water loss. Plot twist. Rubisco is a little sloppy. Sometimes it grabs oxygen instead of CO2, causing photorespiration, a detour that wastes energy. Some plants evolved hacks. C4 plants pre-concentrate CO2, CAM plants open stomata at night to save water. Efficiency? Sunlight to sugar is usually low single digits, but life scales it massively. Forests, crops, algae run this engine non-stop, feeding food webs, filling the air with oxygen, and storing solar energy in plant matter and even fossil fuels. Bottom line, photosynthesis is nature's solar-powered assembly line. Light to electrons, electrons to ATP, electrons to NADPH.